Every few years in the camera world, a product rumor appears that doesn't just circulate, it reshapes expectations. It stops being about what's next and starts becoming about what's possible. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is currently sitting in that rare space. Even without an official announcement, it has already become one of the most talked about upcoming action cameras, not because of confirmed details, but because of the direction people believe it might take. What makes the Ace Pro 3 discussion different from a typical pre-launch cycle is the tone. Most action camera upgrades are easy to predict: a bit more stabilization, slightly better sharpness, improved software polish, and maybe a new shooting mode or two. But the conversation around this model feels heavier, more ambitious. It carries the expectation that Insta360 might be preparing something beyond incremental change, something closer to a redefinition of what a compact action camera can do. That expectation has been fueled largely by leaks and early speculation spreading across creator communities. While none of these claims are officially confirmed, the consistency of certain ideas has made people pay attention. One of the strongest rumors points to a major sensor upgrade, possibly a 1-inch sensor paired with a resolution around 50 megapixels. If this turns out to be accurate, it would immediately shift the camera into a different league. The importance of a larger sensor in an action camera cannot be overstated. These devices have always been constrained by their size, which limits how much light they can capture. That limitation directly affects image quality, especially in challenging environments. A larger sensor would mean better performance in low light, improved dynamic range, and cleaner overall detail. In practical terms, footage shot indoors, at night, or in shaded environments would look significantly more usable without heavy editing. This ties directly into one of the biggest pain points for action camera users: low light performance. Even though modern devices are impressive in daylight, they often struggle when lighting conditions drop. Grain, softness, and reduced clarity are common issues. If the Ace Pro 3 truly improves this area through hardware alone, it would address one of the most persistent weaknesses in the category. Video capabilities are another major part of the speculation. One of the most discussed possibilities is 8K recording at 30 frames per second, combined with HDR and log recording support. That combination signals something important. It suggests the camera is not just aimed at casual users capturing memories, but also at creators who want full control over post-production. HDR helps manage contrast, while log profiles preserve dynamic range for editing flexibility. Alongside that, there is talk of 4K recording at 120 frames per second in 10-bit color. This would allow creators to produce smooth slow-motion footage while maintaining strong color depth and grading flexibility. For action-heavy content like sports, travel sequences, or cinematic vlogging, this kind of capability would significantly expand creative possibilities. Another area generating attention is the rumored AI system inside the camera. Instead of simple automation tools, the Ace Pro 3 is expected, at least in speculation, to feature a more layered intelligence system. This could involve multiple AI functions working together: stabilization enhancement, subject tracking, noise reduction, exposure adjustment, and scene recognition operating in real time. If implemented well, this kind of system would change how the camera is used. Instead of manually adjusting settings for different environments, the camera would essentially interpret the scene on its own. That would reduce friction in the creative process and make it easier for users to focus on storytelling rather than technical tuning. Battery life is also part of the growing discussion. Action cameras often face criticism for limited endurance, especially when recording at higher resolutions. Reports suggest the Ace Pro may improve efficiency in standard and moderate recording modes. Even if extreme settings remain power-hungry, longer general use recording time would still be a meaningful improvement for everyday creators. Pricing expectations are shifting as well. The Ace Pro 3 is widely expected to move into a more premium segment compared to earlier models. That shift is important because it changes how the product is perceived. It is no longer just a casual action camera, it becomes a more serious creative tool. And with that shift comes higher expectations for performance consistency and overall output quality. Once a product enters a higher price bracket, users naturally expect visible improvements in real-world performance, not just better numbers on a spec sheet. That includes cleaner footage, smoother stabilization, better reliability in different environments, and a more refined overall shooting experience. Stabilization remains one of the most critical features in this category. Action cameras exist because of movement, but that movement is often unpredictable. While current systems are already strong, they still have limits, especially in complex or high vibration scenarios. The idea of AI-assisted stabilization suggests a more adaptive system that understands motion patterns more intelligently, potentially reducing distortion and improving natural flow in footage. Color science is another area that often defines how professional a camera feels. Insta360 has made progress in this area over time, but some users still prefer more natural or cinematic output straight from the camera. If the Ace Pro 3 improves color rendering or offers better in-camera profiles, it could reduce the need for heavy post-processing and make workflows faster. Audio quality is also becoming more important than it used to be. As more creators rely on action cameras for vlogging and everyday content, clear sound capture is no longer optional. Wind noise reduction, directional audio clarity, and improved voice capture could all play a role in making the device more complete as an all-in-one content tool. Beyond hardware improvements, software and ecosystem integration continue to be one of Insta360's strongest advantages. The company has built a reputation for powerful editing tools, AI-based reframing, and automated content creation features. These tools already help streamline workflows, but there is room for deeper integration between capture and editing. And that may be its biggest impact even before it exists. It has forced the industry to think beyond upgrades and start thinking about transformation.